Hello world, Shelly here, and today I'm going to show you how I got this eyeshadow look using the BH Cosmetics Royal Affair palette. This one is super gorgeous, and you know whenever I find myself a good looking green, I have to try it out. So we are going to do that right now. So if you want to see how I got this look, stick around. I'm going to start out with the shade Rain on a flat shadow brush and just set my primer. Next, I'm going to take a Wayne Goss 03 and the shade Majesty and use that as a crease and transition shade. Next, I'm going to take this Morphe brush. It's just a tapered blending brush with a little bit of density to it. It has no number, came in their eye kit, and the shade Regal, and use that in the crease. I wanted something a little more precise than the Sigma E25 because I don't want this to blow too high up in the crease. I want to keep it pretty well below that transition. I'm going to take a fluffy blending brush, the Sigma E35, no additional product, and just blur out that top. Next, I'm going to take my Makeup Geek Outer V brush and the shade Duchess and put this in the outer third or so. Now with a flat shadow brush, this is a MAC 233. I'm going into the shade Crown. And we're going to fill in the center of the lid. That is so cool. I love like lime green shades like this against that reddish tone that we used in the crease. It is one of my favorite combinations. That is so cool. Yes. Same brush, just wiped it off. I'm going into Imperial, and we'll use that in the very inner corner. Got a smaller blending brush. This is the Wayne Goss 19. I'm going to take just the tiniest bit of that Duchess brown and deepen the very deepest part of the crease, just to pull it all together. I was going to use Imperial in the inner corner, but I'm going to use High Tea instead, this silver shade. Yeah, that's pretty. Let me add some liner mascara. I'll be right back. And here is the finished look. Went in with my Urban Decay 24/7 waterline pencil to tightline the upper lash line. I used the CoverGirl Get In Line Active Liquid Liner on my top lashes. My mascara is the CoverGirl Exhibitionist Waterproof Edition, and my lip, I put on a little bit of the Milani Shine Amore Shine in Charming, and then blotted that off to get some of the glossiness out, and then covered that with the Milani Stellar Lights Holographic Lip Gloss in shade number 6, Kaleidoscope Purple. So that is what we did, and that is the Royal Affair palette from BH Cosmetics. I enjoy BH Cosmetics eyeshadows so much. They are so good for the money. They are very reliable in their formula, and You really can't beat it. Lots of great colors as well. So there you have it. If you enjoy these sort of eyeshadow tutorials, give me a thumbs up down below. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I do new videos every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 9 p.m. Eastern Time. If you'd like to see looks out of a certain palette, let me know down in the comments. And as always, thanks a lot for taking some time out of your day to geek out over makeup with me. I appreciate it, and I hope you guys all have an awesome day or night wherever you are in the world. Take care of each other. Bye-bye.